Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you guys two methods how to transcribe your videos. If you want to use your transcript of your meeting, of your any videos, your own. I don't talk about YouTube videos, but your own videos. You could do these two methods. The first one, simply you just upload to YouTube. Okay, if you have YouTube account, just upload it and then wait for it. After you upload, maybe an hour or 2 hours for the most, but in most of the case it depends on how long the duration of your video. Most of the case 15 minutes is enough. After you upload it, you just go open like this one. I just upload my video, this is the draft, and then you just watch on YouTube. Okay, watch on YouTube, and then you could press more and then click show transcript, and then you can copy all this, drag to the bottom. That's the first method. Or you can install the Chrome extension that I made. This one, the name is GR transcript, which is when I click auto transcript, it will be, you could easily copy the transcript. Also, you could make it to Blogger or WordPress as a blog. That's the first method, how to transcribe your videos. And then the second method, you could install the VLC Media Player. Especially if your videos is so long, an hour, 2 hours, because uploading to YouTube is not practical. You just click open, the convert or save, this one, and then you could add any videos. Let's say this one. Which one? Let's say wait, I just random pick. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, and then click convert or save. You just convert it into MP3 format, which is you convert it into the audio format only. So instead of video and audio, you just upload it or convert it into audio. After you convert into audio, you could go to the Gemini, ChatGPT, or anything, tell them to transcribe. That much more easier than you upload a video, because the AI will only see the audio, listen to the audio, not the visual. Because if you upload the full videos, which is audio and visual, the AI will be work so hard. That's heavy. That's a heavy working for AI. So that's how to transcribe your video easily. That's two methods. I repeat, the first one, you just go to upload it to YouTube and then use my Chrome extension. I will put the link on the I will put the link on the description below. And then the second one, you could use the VLC Media Player, convert it into the audio, and then go to the Gemini, ChatGPT, or anything, tell them to transcribe your audio. So that's it, this video. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's it, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.